Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today's realistic and motivating clean with me is sure to get you up on your feet. I am sharing some real life messes, some everyday tasks in the house, as well as trying a new cleaning product that I'm really excited to share with you guys. So stay tuned for lots of messes and some before and after transformations. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well and hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family if you haven't already. Now let's jump right in. We are starting off in my master bedroom. I'm showing you a before, and then we are gonna go ahead and start tackling this. There is lots to do in here, so let's go ahead and get moving together.
You had to, 'cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like.
So you might notice that I do start in our master bedroom often, and that is because I feel like there's nothing more satisfying than making my bed. Now, if I am not feeling motivated to get things done or to get cleaning, what I like to do is just go ahead and make my bed, and I feel like just doing that simple task helps to get me moving. Let me know in the comments what that one thing is for you that really helps to get you up and motivated.
They sure know how to set a girl on fire. I'm not calling you a liar. Honestly, I'm just so tired. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine. There's nothing like wine. Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something.
But before we go any further into the video, I am so excited because today we're giving you double the motivation. I am so excited to introduce you to my friend Katie. She lives in California and is a boy mom to 2 little boys. I have been watching her for about a year now, and I love everything about her channel. She shares tons of cleaning motivation as well as home decor, and she is currently going through the landscaping process and sharing her journey through that. She has a beautiful home, and she also has a jewelry collection that is limited edition. So make sure that you go ahead and check her out. What I love about her is she is honestly one of the most genuine people I have ever talked to. She has the sweetest heart, and I know you guys will love her and her channel. So after you are done watching my video, make sure you head on over to her channel and let her know that you came over from mine.
And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us know tonight.
Our bathroom actually wasn't that dirty. I just needed to give it a really quick wipe and change the light, as this one was totally burnt out, and then the one in the middle there was just kind of starting to dim, so I wanted to change that one as well. And I wanted to take a minute here to introduce myself. If you are new here or if you are coming over from Katie's channel, welcome. Here on my channel, I create tons of cleaning and homemaking motivational videos in hopes to encourage and motivate you to get things done around your house. As a busy mom to 2 little girls aged 2 and 4, I know sometimes we don't always have the energy to clean or do the homemaking chores, so I really wanted this space to be a positive community where we can connect, learn, and encourage one another. I do lots of deep cleaning. I share the odd recipe and grocery haul, as well as the odd home DIY project that is always renter and budget friendly. So if you enjoy lots of lifestyle content, I do focus more on cleaning motivation. Please make sure that you hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. And if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. So you may or may not have noticed, but I am using a new cleaner, the Method Daily Wood Cleaner in the almond scent. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is incredible. So I'm definitely gonna start using this from now on over my pledge. If you haven't tried it, I would highly recommend it. But now we're gonna go ahead and tackle the rest of this mess. Here is the current situation of my living room and dining area.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with the...
So as I was cleaning this area up, I noticed more laundry, even though I had already thrown the load in, and this is why I do laundry daily. I usually am pretty good at going around and picking all of the laundry up, except for when I film. I'm just like in the moment and in the zone, and I get pretty forgetful.
You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind.
How amazing was that before and after shot? It amazes me how messy our house gets, but I just love sharing the real life, realistic messes with you guys. I hope that it can keep you guys motivated to tackle your own mess. Moving on to the kitchen here, we're just gonna go ahead and tackle some everyday messes like the dishes and wiping everything down in here. Also stay tuned, I know you guys love when I clean our sink, and so that is coming up as well.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time?
Now that the dishes are all done, we're gonna go ahead and just finish tidying and cleaning up the kitchen by wiping the counters, and then I will be tackling the sink. I'm also gonna be sharing a brief grocery haul with you, as well as just some prepping of some vegetables and stuff, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. And if you're still watching today's video, I would love if you give it a thumbs up if you haven't already, and also leave me a coffee emoji in the comment section. You are truly the best, and I just want you to know how much I truly appreciate you all.
Oh, baby, baby, good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises. No, sorry, it's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like
Okay, so I really quickly just want to show you guys like a tiny grocery haul. This is actually from yesterday, so lots of it is open already, but there's some new stuff that we got, including this chopped chipotle ranch. Sorry, you can hear my daughter in the background, but this salad is so good. I got it a couple weeks ago and loved it. We got some organic peppers, a watermelon I have to chop up here. I got some grapes. We haven't had grapes in a really long time. Bananas and pineapple, which is essential. I got some carrots. We have been totally digging veggies lately. Got a cucumber, which is actually like already almost gone from yesterday. Again, I've been making veggie trays and we just go through them like that. We got a red pepper, grapes as I mentioned, and then some broccoli. The girls absolutely love broccoli, so they eat a lot of it. I got my favorite bagels, these raisin cinnamon ones. Lily loves them as well. If you can get this PC bacon, I highly recommend it. It is like the best bacon ever. The extra thick cut is honestly amazing. We got a cream, peaches, and some kiwi, which, you know, the girls go through like crazy. Some raspberries because we didn't have strawberries that looked very good, so I just got these instead. I got this rainbow tortellini, which I'm gonna be sharing in a recipe in Monday's video, and that's what the tomatoes are for as well. And then I wanted to show you guys, of course we got baby spinach, but this cheese I've shared before. It is so good. You can buy it in bulk at Costco and it is fairly cheaper, but it is so good. And then this jalapeno lime aioli is from Costco as well, and this is so good. It's a little spicy, so if you can't do spicy, don't do it, but it's really good. And then I got some caramel syrup for my iced coffees. So there is just a tiny grocery haul. This is just the fresh stuff that I got. It's not including like any of the other things, but I wanted to share this with you guys really quickly. Now let's go ahead and start chopping some of the fruits and veggies to go ahead and make a veggie tray.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You
Thank you so much for watching today's realistic clean with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and it gave you lots of motivation to tackle your own house. Please don't forget to head on over to Katie's channel as well. Give her video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Again, I know you guys are going to love her, and make sure that you go say hi in her comments as well. And if you're coming over from Katie's channel, please don't forget to say hi in my comments. I would love to get to know you a little bit better and just connect a little bit more with you. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry. I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine.